Hi, today I'm making a mushroom zucchini stir fry. My daughter asked me how to make a very inexpensive meal with just vegetables, and so I wanted to show her. So I have here a variety of vegetables. I have zucchini, red and orange, bell pepper, a half an onion, as well as one whole package of mushrooms. I need to wash them there. I haven't washed them yet. But I wanted her to see, and you as well, that you don't have to always have meat for a meal to be tasty or even filling. Mushrooms can act as meat, and with as many recalls as we've had lately, I'm sure you all appreciate this. But it can be just as filling. It's better for you. And so I'm just going to show you how to do a quick stir fry. And as long as you have two sauces, oyster sauce as well as soy sauce, you can make an incredible meal. I used about 3 tablespoons of oil, and I have put all of my vegetables, my onions, my zucchini and bell pepper, all into just a skillet. If you have a wok, that's great. If you don't, that's fine too. I'm adding my sliced mushrooms, and then I'm just going to saute that. I'm going to add a little bit of oyster sauce to taste. And I'm adding a little bit of soy sauce to taste, right? And this takes about, 10 minutes? And depending on how well done you want your stir fry, it's really ready. I have already made a couple of cups of rice. My stir fry looks like this. I've added a couple of shakes of garlic powder, but as you can see, the stir fry has a little bit of a gravy over it, and so I'm able to just literally serve that over my white rice. This meal probably costs less than $8, if that, and it's a very simple way to save money and eat a bit healthy. So I hope you enjoy this mushroom zucchini stir fry.